Number 7. A rectangular pyramid has a volume of 840 cubic centimeters. Its base is a rectangle that has a length of 10 and a width of 14. What is the height of the pyramid? Alright, as you can see, I already drew my picture and I have my length of 10 and my width of 14 for my base. I wrote down that my volume is 840 and my height is what I am looking for. Alright, since I know these two, I'm going to go ahead and find the area of my base. Okay, so the area of my base is a rectangle, which is length times width, and that length is 10 and the width is 14. Well, 10 times 14 is 140. So B is 140. Oops, sorry. Okay, 10 times 14 is 140. So for a pyramid, my volume formula is volume is equal to 1/3. Actually, let's do it this way. Now let's do this. 1/3 times big B times H. Okay, and remember, multiplying by 1/3 is the same thing as dividing by 3. But I'm gonna do the multiplication part right now, and here's why. All right, so I know my volume is 840, so I substitute that in for the V, my 1/3. I know that my base is 140, okay, and then times that, and then my height, which I don't know, right? So I can do a couple of different things. I can multiply these two together, but that could be kind of ugly. So maybe I won't. We're going to write that back as 140. Okay. All right. Okay. What I can do is, so this dividing by 3 or times 1/3, I can multiply by 3 because then that cancels it out. All right. So actually, let's rewrite this so we can see this a little better. So 140 times the height divided by 3. All right, well over here I'm dividing by 3 and I need to cancel it out. And if we remember from our equations, if I multiply it by 3, that cancels that out. Okay, multiply by 3, divide by 3, it cancels out. But if I multiply by 3 over here, I have to multiply by 3 over here. All right, so now I have 140 times some number H is equal to 3 times 840. Well, 3 times 0 is 0. 3 times 4 is 12. Carry my 1. 3 times 8 is 24 plus 1 is 25. All right. So I have 2,520 is equal to 140 times H. Well, I've just got a simple multiplication problem here. So if I divide by 140 on both sides, this again will cancel out and I'm left with just H. But now I have to actually do the division. So 140 into 2520. All right, 140 will go into 250 probably one time. 1 times 140 is 140. 2 minus 0 is 2. 5 minus 4 is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. And 0. All right. Let's think about this. 140 times 9. Let's try 9. 9 times 0 is 0. 9 times 4 is 36. Carry my 3. 9 times 1 is 9 plus 3 is 12. Oop, that's too big. All right, so not 9. Let's try 8. 8 times 0 is 0. 8 times 4 is 32. Carry my 3. 1 times 8 is 8 plus 3 is 11. Oh, check that out. Perfect. 1,120 minus 1,120 is 0. And there's my 18. My height is 18 centimeters. Perfect.